Hi guys, Joe from Pepper in the Woods here. One of my recent videos when I did my ferro rod combo Frankenstein one, when I posted on Facebook, a nice guy name of Jason Knights from Longman Bushcraft said that he makes fire starter pencils and would I like to try any, and I said, oh yeah, sure, thank you, and he was kind enough to send me some fire starter pencils. So he also sells them on eBay. I'll put some links and pictures up, but I said yeah, I'll try them out, and he didn't know I was going to shoot a video, but I'm going to shoot a video anyway. So we'll test these out now and see how well they work. Jason was kind enough to send me 10 pencils, so that was very nice of him. So obviously they write. Yep. So as a pencil you expect, they do write. Now let's see if they work well as a fire starter. Right, so I'm going to try to feather, but I'm going to try to do it from behind the camera here, so they're not going to be good feather sticks. Can't see what I'm doing. Right, let's hit it with a ferro rod and see what happens. I'm just going to use my knife, I think. Oh, that went up pretty quick. Got a good healthy flame on that. Move the other ones out of the way. That's very good. Good burn time on it. It's still going. And now it's out. So a quick final thought, and I think he has a pretty cool idea. His idea is to take the pencils that you put in your survival kits, your Altoid tins, or the ones you just carry around with you, and use these ones to use as fire tinder as well. So making it multi-use, which is a nice idea. So it's kind of original. I do like that. That's pretty cool, and they're budget friendly too. I think they're £3.20 on eBay for 10, I believe, but I'll put a pickup of the eBay sale. So again, thanks Jason for that. So I'll put a couple of those in my kits, and 1 or 2 in my ruck to bring with me to work. So that's nice. Thanks again for that. Don't forget to, sometimes I've seen now lately that my channels I'm subscribed to, I'm not getting notifications on them for some reason. So make sure that if you want to see future videos that the bell icon is clicked so you don't miss out on that. Also like, share, subscribe please, and check out my Facebook group Pepper in the Woods. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll catch you next video. Bye.